Winning, winning, winning. We all want to win in life. We want to win in every area of our lives, and you should. So stay tuned if you want to learn about 2 simple strategies to keep you winning in life. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joan Nwosu and I'm your success coach. If we haven't met before, well, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I release a new video. So today I'm going to be talking about 2 simple strategies to keep you winning in life, because we know that deep down inside that's what we all desire. Life, as we know, is full of ups and downs, and sometimes it has a few sideways thrown into. When things go wrong or they don't go as planned, or something happens that throws us off balance, we start to doubt ourselves, and it can be tough to deal with that. We do want things to always work out. We want to end up winning in life, but life will always throw us challenges, and we can't control everything. And really, we shouldn't be trying to control everything. It's not what happens to you, but what you do with what happens to you that makes the difference. So today I'm going to show you 2 easy peasy ways that you can always come out on top winning. Number 1 is focusing on your strengths. We as humans are a bunch of contradictions. Sometimes we're happy, sometimes we're sad, sometimes we're hopeful, sometimes we're pessimistic, sometimes we're childish, sometimes we're mature. We also have lots of strengths and weaknesses, and all of this affect what we do, how we do it, and for some reason we tend to put more focus on our weaknesses than our strengths. A strength is something that you do consistently well. It's something that you're just able to do, you're hardwired to do it, you do it effortlessly, and you're always successful because, again, it's your strength. You get a lot of satisfaction from doing it. And this could be a myriad of things. It could be solving complex problems, empathizing with people, taking care of people, having a wild imagination, writing well, whatever it is. It could even be flipping a burger. Your strength is your strength. Own it. Focusing on what you do well rather than what you're not so good at makes a lot of sense. When you look at what you're not good at, you start to feel bad about yourself, you start to doubt yourself and your abilities. But when you focus on your strengths, you're guaranteed to get the results. And you can even use this to eliminate any negative effects your weaknesses might have. The second strategy is to set things up ahead of time. Plan, plan, plan. Sure, there will be times when you can just jump head first into something and do it brilliantly and get the results. But most times that's when you're playing to your strengths. But other times you might mess up. You might just try to wing it and not get the results that you wanted. Whatever challenges or opportunities you're facing, you'll stand a much better chance of getting great results if you set things up to succeed ahead of time. So my question is, what exactly do you want to happen? What solution or result are you looking for right now? Get really clear on what that outcome is, what you want to achieve, what you want to accomplish, or how you want to feel at the end of it all. Then take that outcome and start breaking it down. What can you do today to set things up so that your desired outcome actually happens? What do you need to put in place? Who do you need? What help do you need to make it happen? And to ensure the best outcome, what are you willing to do? So there you have it. Those are 2 easy peasy strategies that you can use to make sure that you're winning every day in your life. Again, focusing on your strengths, and 2, just planning. Plan ahead, know what you want and go after it. Make sure that you take the action that's required. Thank you for watching today. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to share, like, and comment. And I would love to hear from you. What are some of the other strategies that you have implemented to keep you winning? Once again, thank you for watching, and keep winning because you are created for greatness. See you next time.